Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about the quality of your past, present and future relationships. So you just have to choose one crystal from these four crystals that I am showing on the screen. So now you can pause the video to look at the crystals of your choice. And then you can skip to that part of the video where I am talking about these crystals. And I have given the timings of each and every crystal in the comment section as well as in the description section. So let's start. So for all those people who have selected number one crystal, let's start with you guys. First word that came to my mind for your relationship is fire. You guys have passion within you, a fire within you, and you can only be satisfied in your relationship when you get same amount of passion from your partner. And 90% of the time, you get a partner who is equally passionate about you. You guys have a great amount of traveling in your relationships. You will travel to a lot of places. There will be long distance driving in your relationship. Traveling makes your relationship alive and spicy. But as a downfall, it also shows that your relationship gives you deep wounds, or we can say deep scars, which you want to forget but you cannot. Your partner can be very aggressive at times, and it's extremely difficult to handle them during that time. If we talk about trust and loyalty, the foundation of your relationship is loyalty. Both of you are equally loyal towards each other. And there are many people who are waiting for your separation, or we can say your breakup. So be careful, guys. Your partner is overly possessive about you, which can be a trouble sometimes. But when you are with your partner, you feel safe and complete because they show you compassion and love in their every action. So, this was all about crystal number one. I hope it resonates with your relationship. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. Welcome back again to second number crystal prediction. So, let's start with you guys. First word that comes to my mind after seeing your relationship is secret. Hidden. Yes, secret and hidden. Most part of your relationship is a secret for other people because you guys like to keep it very private and personal. You are not like those couple who are all over the social media posting pictures and saying everything they can about their relationship. Instead, you create your own private moments. Next thing is your partner helps you to come out of a very dark place in your life. Usually, you get your life partner or your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever, in that time of your life when you feel very low. It can be either physically, emotionally, financially, or mentally. At that time, your partner is like a savior for you, who you lose when you lose all your hopes and positivity. That person is right there to help you. So, your relationship is so deep that you don't even need to speak the whole story. Your partner understands everything by looking in your eyes. But on a negative side, there can be many misunderstandings between you two, and your partner will try to spy on you as well. They are having some past trust issues with them, which is making them to spy on you. This can lead to some fights and arguments as well. If we talk about loyalty, your partner is fully devoted to you. There is something special in your partner. They usually impress everyone around them, and you feel extremely proud of them. Both of you are Netflix and chill kind of people. So instead of going out on dates and on movies, etc., both of you like to spend time in comfort of your home. Both of you are very spiritual and believes in meditation and rituals. Your partner likes to cook as well. There is very high probability that your partner is famous. So this was all about second number crystal. I hope it resonates with your relationship. Please like and subscribe for more such videos. So this is crystal number 3, the blue one. Hi to all those who have chosen this beautiful crystal. Let's start with your prediction. So, first word that comes to my mind for you for your relationship is lot of chemistry. You guys are those couples who can make everyone uncomfortable with their PDA, as you cannot keep your hands off each other. There is high probability that you started your relationship from social media by chatting or any other thing. There is enormous amount of flirt and teasing in your relationship. Your partner get butterflies in their stomach every time they see you. Your relationship is very fast. You don't even realize that you have fallen so deeply in love with that person. But a negative side is that your partner is extremely flirty and unstoppable in their nature. It can make you jealous and create misunderstanding as well. Your partner will take you to many exotic and luxurious locations. They will pamper you in ways which you can't even imagine. They will upload so many pics with you on their social media accounts because they are all about attention. Whenever you two are together, you feel like child. You will do unexpected things together. Talking about loyalty, to be honest, there is less loyalty in this relationship in the beginning. But with time, they will get mature and show some loyalty towards you. So, this was my prediction for you guys. I hope it resonates with you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hi to all of you who have selected number 4. So, here is your prediction. The first word that come to my mind for your relationship is trust. There is so much trust and loyalty in your relationship that no matter what the situation is, no matter what the condition is, no matter what kind of misunderstanding there is, your partner can never doubt you or your intention. Your relationship has given you a positive approach towards life. They have given so much wisdom, so much knowledge to you that now you feel a kind of positive approach in everything that you start. Your partner has a great level of patience in them. They can never get angry easily. They never spoke in loud tone with you. There is enormous amount of respect in your relationship. But on negative side, there can be some lack of fire, which means passion in your relationship. There will be times when you feel that your partner should be a little more expressive and passionate with you. There is high probability that your partner is highly educated. Your partner will be crazy for their career and work life. In short, I can say that your partner will be a work alcoholic. They will want to work 24/7. They will even encourage you to earn money because for them, money is a very essential part of any relationship. Your partner will be a great communicator. And not only that, communication will be a major part of your relationship. So, this was my analysis for those guys who have chosen number 4 crystal. I hope it resonates with you. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.